Greetings people of Earth, hoping you have a nice day, which just got nicer with some hot tech news. Okay, so first story for today, we have an iPad being hot and exploding. Okay. So an iPad battery exploded in an Apple store in Germany, and someone, a very bad person, could say that Apple took a note out of Samsung's notes, if you get what I mean. But yeah, I mean, it could happen to even the best batteries, if we are honest with ourselves. Because okay, they are batteries, you can, what they'll do is unexpected. They're like children, if you think about it. You don't know what they'll do next, and if they will need a charge, because you know, kids have energy. Okay, so that was the first story. I mean, what's our conclusion? It's not only Samsung that makes things that explode. So yeah, keep that in mind, because the new iPad Pros are coming up, and they will be hot. They will definitely be hot. Okay, so in our second story for today, we have Huawei. Okay, yeah, I'm just kidding. I just saw a video on the pronunciation of this name, and man, even a representative from Huawei did indeed spell it wrong.
Huawei. Now do you like what this is?
So, yeah, that's a thing. But that's not the case here. That's not what we are showcasing. The thing is that an advertisement that Huawei published had some photos that were allegedly taken by the Huawei Nova 3. I don't know what the smartphone is anyway, but they were actually taken by a DSLR and a very good lens, apparently. And the thing is that when I first saw the video, the advertisement, I was like, it's obvious that these were taken with a DSLR, but I don't know how people would ever mistake those photographs for artificial bokeh photographs, because the artificial bokeh, it can be so good, but whatever. I mean, Huawei tried to fake it. They obviously failed. So when they have the technology to actually implement it, they may revise this advertisement, or they may just learn to spell their name. So for our third story for today, we have Twitch Prime dropping ad-free watching, which means that from now on, even if you have Twitch Prime, which is connected to Amazon Prime as well, you will have to bear those ads, which will allegedly help creators and will help Twitch as well, like we didn't know that. But I want to connect this story to another one that I'm reporting on today, which is Netflix trying some ads as well. Now they are saying those are not ads, but they are ads, just first-party ads, with some shows that you may want to watch. So me myself, I don't find anything bad about this, but you are paying for the subscription on Netflix. So I reckon, like, you don't have to watch ads if you're paying a subscription. If it's like that, we might as well transition to cable again. It's the same thing. They're serving us ads despite us paying them. I mean, if you ever have watched football, like not American football, soccer. If you have ever watched football on cable TV, they actually show ads in the halftime, despite us paying them. Yeah, I mean they gotta like fill the time between the two halves, but I mean still, we pay them. We pay our hard-earned money. Yeah, whatever, okay, they don't care about our hard-earned money. And for the last story for today, we have Google, which leaked the Pixel 3 XL again. Like, come on, you know what? If I'm gonna watch the Google, what is it called, like I/O, yeah. I'm gonna be like, haven't I seen this before? Wasn't this leaked? You know, I see why Google may want to leak their smartphone. No one is really excited about them. And that's mainly because the Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL didn't have anything special to offer, only the camera, which was pretty good. And I mean, you know what? The HDR Plus, it's great. I use it on my smartphone as well with the Google camera mode. Yeah, but the thing is that this is a software thing, and actually DSLRs don't do it, and really photographers don't do it that much. So, I mean, yeah, it's good. It's good, it gives detail, but sometimes it's a bit aggressive, and that's one of the only features that Google does really well. I mean, they do portrait mode real good, but we have it on all other flagships. So what's the point? So yeah, Pixel 3 XL, it leaked again. We have that face, which is watching your every step, your every facial expression. And actually, you know, maybe there's a hidden meaning to this not. Maybe Google is trying to tell us that they are watching us, even if we don't want to. Okay? That's why there's a face in that. Okay, so I said last story, but there is another quick story I want to report on, and it's the NVIDIA graphics cards that were unveiled yesterday. Thing is, those are the very expensive top tier models. They are the 2070, 2080 and 2080 Ti, which will be available on the 20th of September and will be priced beyond the $499 price tag. If you really want to check out those details, I'm gonna link that down below, maybe. But I mean, you know, if you have that kind of money, I don't think you will want to hear this stuff from me. You will have already watched the whole event that NVIDIA hosted for these graphics cards. Now, a very exciting thing about these graphics cards is that they are especially good at ray tracing, which helps with lighting and shadows and all that stuff in games, which was a struggle for many game developers, and now maybe it will be better and more efficient. Yes, but it seems like NVIDIA is focusing a real bit on those numbers regarding ray tracing, and is not giving us real benchmarks, which we will have to determine on our own when the graphics cards are shipped in September, as I said. So pre-orders are available, but I suggest you don't really jump into it, because you don't have the real performance numbers you'll need before buying a graphics card the price of a very decent computer. So thank you very much for following the tech news with me today. Subscribe and like and do all this kind of neat stuff, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Till then, have a nice day, folks.